This is the brand new reMarkable Paper Pro Move, and I've been using it for the past couple of weeks. reMarkable was kind enough to send it out and partner with me on this video. But here's the thing, I'm not usually the type of person who takes a ton of handwritten notes or sketches and draws. But this thing has surprised me. It's become way more useful than I expected. And the reason why is because I've started coaching my son's hockey team, and this has turned into the perfect place to store drills, sketch strategies on the fly, and actually keep the kids engaged on the ice. But what really sets it apart is that this isn't your typical tablet you'd find from other companies, and it's not trying to be. There are no special social media apps, no web browser, no games. It's built for one thing and one thing only: writing and focus. Okay, technically that's two things, but that doesn't mean it's cut out from the entire world. Like, it has built-in Wi-Fi that lets you sync all your notes through reMarkable Connect. So I can open them up on my phone, my laptop, anywhere. Like, think of this as the little brother to the larger reMarkable Paper Pro. And when I say pocketable, I don't mean your skinny jeans pocket. It's just not gonna fit in that, maybe the back pocket, but it does slide into a coat pocket, a smaller bag, or even a purse. I can grip the entire device with one hand. It weighs just 230 grams, it's 6.5 millimeters thin, and it's actually smaller than a paperback book, but with half the weight of the big 11.8-inch reMarkable Paper Pro. And the cool part, it still has the exact same textured glass display that makes the pen on paper feel, well, like actual pen on paper. And honestly, this is where reMarkable just nails it. The texture, the sound, and the near zero lag tricking your brain into forgetting you're on a screen. Latency is just 12 milliseconds, so when you put pen to glass, it feels instant. It's one of those things that you really need to try for yourself. Now, you do get 9 colors to work with, not neon bright like a tablet, but perfect for organization. I use them for hockey drills, one color for forwards, one for defense, one for goalies. It's ridiculously effective. I also use quick notes for little reminders and marking up or signing PDFs for my channel paperwork without having to touch my laptop. And since it supports Google Drive and Dropbox, moving files around is super easy. Now, I do want to give you guys a quick heads up. This is not an e-reader in the sense that you can buy books on it, but it does support EPUB files, so if you've got some DRM-free books, you can copy them over and read them anywhere. But what's really cool is how reMarkable keeps adding new features. There's a movable toolbar. Drag it to the side, top, bottom, wherever. On this smaller screen, it's a big deal because if your palm's in the way, you don't want your toolbar being under it. Handwriting search, type in a word, and it searches through all your handwritten notes. This makes finding things so much easier. There's even a lasso tool, circle handwriting to move it, resize it, copy, paste it, or even convert it into typed text. For someone like me who has super messy handwriting, this feature is extremely useful. Templates and tags, planners, grids, storyboards, plus the ability to import your own. You can tag and organize everything. This also helps with searching. There's even an on-screen keyboard. If you don't feel like writing, you can type out titles, list, or provide quick edits. Sometimes typing just makes a lot more sense. Spec-wise, it comes with 64 gigabytes of storage, a 2,334 milliamp hour battery, which is half the size of the bigger reMarkable Paper Pro, a dual-core processor that keeps everything running smooth. The battery life has been fantastic. I'm getting about 2 weeks on a single charge. And here's the beauty. It charges from 0 to 90% in just 45 minutes. That's faster than a lot of smartphones. I'd also recommend picking up the book folio case. Even though the magnets on the side of it are super strong, the flap on the folio keeps the pen in place. Meaning, like, if this is in your bag and there's other devices in there, it's gonna keep the overall thing protected, but also prevent your pen from moving. Now, the Connect subscription is totally optional. Your notes will always stay on the device and you can back them up manually, but for $2.99 a month, you can unlock unlimited cloud storage, you can use the desktop and mobile apps, reMarkable's exclusive method templates, and even a 3-year protection plan. Personally, I think it might be worth it for most people. But I do have one feature request. I'd love to see some biometrics for unlocking, because right now, if you want to keep this thing secure, you gotta type in a PIN. A fingerprint sensor would make it so much easier and faster to open it and start writing immediately. So here's the bottom line. The reMarkable Paper Pro Move is the most portable way to experience digital paper that I've tested. It's distraction-free. It feels like a real pen on paper experience. It syncs across your devices and it has battery life that can last you a long time. Like if you're going away for a few days, you don't need a charger. Now it does cost $449 with the marker or $499 with the marker plus that has an eraser. And yeah, it can be a bit pricey, but if you value focus, creativity, and that pen and paper experience, this is the closest you're gonna get in a device that's not actually paper. If you're interested in checking it out, I will place a link in the description down below. As usual, if you have any comments whatsoever about this device, let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.